Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be filming my August favorites. I know I'm super duper late. I just did not have the time. So here I am going ahead and getting my favorites out, and I do not have a lot this month. I feel like I say that a lot, but like this month is probably the least amount of favorites I have, but I really have been loving these products. So if you want to see the products I love for the month of August 2018, then just keep on watching. So as we all know, literally I feel like there has not been a favorite ever where I don't have highlighters. So my favorite for the month of August are the Natasha Denona Super Glows. I absolutely love these. I did go ahead and do a first impressions where I swatched these on my skin. I will go ahead and link that video right here so you guys can see it. But if you haven't seen that video, then you don't but if you haven't seen that video, I do have 2 of the 3 shades. I have 02 light medium and I have 03 bronze. These are the 2 shades that I have. I've been loving them both, and if you did see that video, then you know that I really was a little iffy about the shade bronze, but I actually really do love it. I love this formula. Natasha Denona did a great job on the formula. I do have her diamond glow and blush palette in citrus, and I do love the highlighters in there, but I think I love these a little bit more. But the formula is pretty much, it's very similar. I don't want to say it's the same because I don't know, but really similar. These claim to give a glass-like finish, and they really do. They give like this glassy, almost wet look to the skin without really emphasizing too much texture. They go on super smooth. I really do like these. They do retail for $38 each, and you can get them on the Natasha Denona website, Sephora, and BeautiiBees. I love these highlighters. If you are my skin tone or deeper, I would say go ahead and check out bronze and maybe skip light medium, but my skin tone and lighter, definitely go ahead and try light medium. And she also has 01, which is fair, light fair light. I think it's just fair, which is like a really icy light shade. But I have really been loving these highlighters. The next favorite is a very inexpensive lip product, and this is the Nika K Diamond Glow Lip Gloss. You can get this from your beauty supply store. I paid $2.99 for this, and I love this gloss. It's literally, we all know right now the shimmery, glittery glosses are in right now, and this one is so beautiful. I had this on in my Jaclyn Hill and Clara Morphe vault video for the Dark Magic palette. This is the gloss, and it smells like red Starburst. Literally, it smells exactly like red Starburst. I'm gonna try to give you guys a swatch. A glitter packed gloss. Look at that. So freaking pretty. Literally, I have been wearing this almost non-stop. This has been my favorite gloss so far of the summer. I love this, and the price, like, come on, $2.99. I a long time ago did an old beauty supply store makeup look. I use everything on my face from the beauty supply store. I did that video like a year and a half, 2 years ago. I did that video. So I really want to do another one because I'm so inspired by beauty supply store makeup. So if you want to see an old beauty supply store brand makeup tutorial, then let me know in the comments and go ahead and thumbs up this video, and I will definitely do that for you guys because I had so much fun and the look came out so freaking good. Like, literally everything was beauty supply store. So, and the beauty supply store have some gems, okay? So let me know if you guys want to see it and I will get it out for you. But I have been loving this gloss, and they have other shades as well. This should not be a shocker. The Fenty Pro Filter Amplifying Eyeshadow Primer. This has become my staple eyeshadow primer. I'm actually running, I can tell like it's getting like low in there. I've been rocking this non-stop for the past like 2 months, you know what I mean? Like, if it's not, this is my MAC paint pot. I haven't used my shadow insurance. I haven't used my Urban Decay primer potion because this has been it for me. It makes everything you lay on top of this stuff pop. Actually, this is the reason why I think I'm going to go ahead and pick up the Fenty face primer, because I love this so freaking much. Like, I have to try the face primer. It makes my eyeshadow last all day, every day. I don't have a bad thing to say about this primer. The shadow insurance is a little too loose for me. The Urban Decay primer, I actually have anything bad to say about the Urban Decay primer potion. I love that one as well. But this one, I love the tackiness, because as soon as you go in, it just picks up that pigment. And the tackiness, you do have to make sure you really go ahead and blend it out, but the pigment is just like on point. So I absolutely love this primer. I've been using it the past 2 months. I absolutely love it. It does retail for $24, which I feel isn't bad. So yeah, I've been loving the Fenty eye primer. And the last favorites are some eyeshadow palettes. So the first one is the KKW Classic palette. Literally, you guys, I've been literally loving this. Like, I did a look on this. I will link it right here. It's not my best by far, but it is a regular palette. Like, I love her formula. She is coming out with the cherry palette, which I will be purchasing. I'm going to try to get it as long as it doesn't sell out on me, but I am going to be awake, up, and ready for that palette because I love her formula. Now, I haven't tried her lipsticks. I want to try her highlighters. I haven't tried anything other than her eyeshadow palettes. I have this one, and I have the Mario palette. And KKW Beauty does a great eyeshadow palette formula. If you ask me personally, it's better than Kylie's. This blends so beautifully. I dip into this sometimes just for a matte, just for a shimmer. I do a whole look. I've done multiple looks with this palette. I really love it. The shades are pigmented. They blend beautifully. She does a solid eyeshadow palette formula, and it's consistent. There is no difference between the formula in this palette and the Mario palette, which tends to happen. So far, the palette formula has been consistent, and it's obvious because I'm ready for her third palette. Like, I'm so ready to try it, and I do. And that collection will have blushes. I'm going to try to pick my blush, maybe a lipstick. I don't really know, but I will be doing a tutorial once I do get it. But I've been loving this, and I know right now, if you are a really big makeup collector, lover, enthusiast, whatever, we have a lot of neutral palettes. So at first I was a little shocked that she came out with such a neutral palette, but it's beautiful. Literally, look how warm. Like, it's beautiful. And I was really shocked at how much I reached for it. So all we gotta do, KKW, is drop that shipping just a smidge. Just a smidge. Girl, that $9 shipping price is disrespectful. But I'll pay it. And the last favorite is the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I feel like there are so many good reviews on this palette, and there's a reason why. This literally is an all-around amazing palette. The shades are pigmented, blendable, cohesive. They go together. You can create neutral look. You get your warm look with your pop of color. Then you have your more colorful side. It makes sense. If you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, then you know that I went down south a few weeks ago, and this is the only palette I took, and I never do that. I always take options, but this time I really didn't have to do that because this is all that I needed. It does retail for $49. I feel like it's a great price. I love the hard packaging. I put this in my bag at the airport, and when I went to get my bag, once I landed, it was perfectly fine. Yep, I just stuck this right in my bag. It has a huge clear, crystal clear mirror. I don't know what Urban Decay has been doing lately, but they've been slaying. Okay, like, literally, I've never been into Urban Decay the way I am into them now. I love the setting spray. I love the eye primer. I love the Naked palettes that I do still own. A lot of them I've sold on my Poshmark. Poshmark link in the description box. Get on that. But I'm so into Urban Decay right now, so I've been loving this palette as well. All right, everybody, that's all for me. Like I said, I didn't have a lot this month, but and well, last month, we're September now, but I am trying a lot of products this month, so I'm really excited to show you guys my favorites for September. I have, my desk is full of new makeup, so I'm so ready. Make sure you guys subscribe before you leave, and you guys gotta hit that notification bell. You gotta do it. Hopefully I'll have a giveaway coming soon. There's just a lot going on in my personal life, and I cannot, like, literally, I want to share with you guys what's been going on behind the scenes, but it's just really not the right time. But once the time comes, I cannot wait to sit down and share a life update with you guys. I've never done like I've done a chit chat get ready with me. I've done a more personal type of video about my dating life. A lot has changed. My views on a lot of things have changed, but it's not the right time, and we're friends, you know what I mean? Like, you know, I love opening up to you guys. I love the response that I get when I open up to you guys. How you guys don't judge me. You guys, you know, you guys welcome me with open arms. But when the time comes, I want to do a live video about what's going on. When that time comes, which will be really soon. I promise it'll be soon. So I love you all to absolute, like, literally, I love you guys to absolute pieces. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you all in the next one. Mwah.